Welcome to our in-depth review of the highly anticipated DJI Neo, the latest innovation in the drone world. Today, we're exploring this cutting-edge device that's set to redefine aerial photography and videography. If you're a drone enthusiast or a professional looking to upgrade your gear, the DJI Neo might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. We'll be diving into its design, build quality, camera capabilities, flight performance, and much more. Stick around as we unbox, test, and reveal everything you need to know about this new release. The DJI Neo stands out with its sleek, futuristic design that combines both form and function. The drone's body is crafted from a durable, single-piece plastic frame that promises longevity while maintaining a lightweight profile. This design choice not only enhances durability but also contributes to the drone's aerodynamic efficiency, allowing for smoother flights even in challenging conditions. The DJI Neo is equipped with a powerful 0.5-inch 12-megapixel sensor that elevates aerial photography to new heights. This sensor, paired with the ability to record 4K video at 30 frames per second, ensures that every shot is captured in stunning detail. Whether you're shooting landscapes, urban environments, or fast-moving subjects, the DJI Neo delivers crisp, vibrant images with remarkable clarity. Despite its compact size, this drone packs a punch when it comes to performance. With an 18-minute flight time in normal mode, you have ample opportunity to capture stunning footage without constantly worrying about battery life. The DJI Neo also supports at least 20 smart flight shots per charge, ensuring you can get all the shots you need during a single session. For traditional pilots who prefer a more hands-on approach, the DJI Neo includes the RCN3 controller. This ergonomic controller provides a familiar flying experience, with precise control over the drone's movements. Priced at $199, this option provides an affordable entry point for those who want to experience the DJI Neo's impressive capabilities without breaking the bank. This package includes the drone itself, along with essential accessories like the battery and propeller guards. Mark your calendars for September 5th, as DJI has officially confirmed this date for the Neo's release. With its competitive pricing and impressive feature set, the DJI Neo is set to make a significant impact on the drone market. The Neo is a testament to this legacy, offering a feature-packed, high-performance drone at a price point that's hard to beat. So if you're in the market for a new drone, the DJI Neo should definitely be on your radar. Thank you for joining us for this in-depth review of the DJI Neo. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow drone enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews, tips, and tutorials on the latest in drone technology.